Here with another video at Optimized Aesthetics. I'm going to give you guys a treatment room tour. I get so many questions about little details in my room, so here we are. I'm first going to talk about my product shelves. This is something that I feel a lot of people have a hard time finding, but I have these two wooden ones. They're perfect. They're from Target. I love that they're floating shelves so that they don't take up so much space in my room. Now we're going to go over here to my products where I keep all of my supplies. I have my towel warmer, which I absolutely love. It's super dainty and small, but does the job. This one is from Spa and Equipment. This cabinet is the next item that I get questions about all the time. It's from IKEA. It has so much storage, and I bought these handles from IKEA as well, so my husband actually installed them for me. But it has so much storage, and I even keep all of my facial supplies right here. So I also got these little storage containers from Amazon, so they keep everything nice and organized inside. And then I have my iPad set up and my booking system. So when people are checking out, I am, having my laptop over here and having them check out over there. This is where I keep all of my 4x4s, 2x2s. This is so cute. It's a little set. These are from Target. Target is my absolute favorite. There's going to be a lot of that in the treatment room. And then I have my mini fridge. This is from Amazon. I love this. This is where I keep my cool globes, things like that, to keep the experience nice and seamless. Obviously, I have my hydrofacial right here. Cannot live without this guy right here, but it fits so nicely. So if you do have a tabletop, I would highly recommend this cabinet storage so that you can keep all of your linens, your facial supplies, and have lots of storage up top as well. And then this is my favorite stool. It is so aesthetically pleasing. I get compliments all the time on it. This one is from Minerva. And then I have a little trend going on with Minerva because my treatment room bed is from Minerva, and then this 2-tier tray is also from Minerva. The quality is outstanding. I know that a lot of people have bought ones off Amazon and the quality is not the same, but rest assured, this one is the best quality ever. It's not the one on Amazon. So this keeps all my facial supplies intact, and then I also keep my LED light over here, so it has lots and lots of storage. Next, I'm going to really quickly talk about my treatment room bowl. I get questions all the time, and this is just from Amazon. So I'm going to keep linking all of my facial supplies on there, and you will find that nice and easy. And then next up is going to be my treatment room linens, the head towels, and even this blanket. So this blanket is from Target. The sheets are from Boca Terry, which I would highly recommend. I also have their linens as well, such high quality, which I think is really important in the treatment room for the client experience. And then these head towels are from Target as well. I get so many questions on these, so that's why I'm going over the little details. But the next thing I'm going to talk about is the Cosmo Glow light. This is absolutely amazing. I will never use a mag lamp ever again. You can put your phone here to record, of course, which I love, but this has an adjustment for the lighting. So for my before and afters and progress photos, this has been game-changing, and I absolutely cannot live without this. I think that it is obviously very aesthetically pleasing, and it just completely transforms the treatment room look. Okay, so next up, this light. No, I'm kidding. This is what we're obviously using to film with, but I want to talk about this little side mirror over here. This is a full body mirror. A lot of people love it. That's also from Target. Pretty self-explanatory. I personally like my treatment room vibe to be relaxing, so I did invest in curtains, which these are from Target as well. And then the curtain rods are also from Target as well. I guess I should just call this section my Target corner, because this little side table, the chair, the little hook, picture frame, and these two shelves are from Target. So I will also link all of these as well for you guys, but Target's the way to go. It's my best friend. You will find me at Target almost every single day. But yeah, If there's anything else that I missed, wait, no, I did miss something. I think treatment room scents are really, really important. So I want to talk about the fact that I have this little diffuser right here. This one, I'll have to double check for you guys if you guys love this one, but I believe it's limited edition anyways. I do love having this clock right here because I need to stay on time in my treatment room, and this is from Amazon as well. Lastly, I promise this is the last thing, I'm going to talk about the little QR code that I have from Etsy. I absolutely love this. So I put my logo and then a QR code for my Instagram and my website, along with my business card. So I get a lot of compliments on that as well. Absolutely, obviously aesthetically pleasing, and just makes the whole, treatment room premium, which is what I go for as far as the type of clients that I'm trying to attract. And then I also keep this little Google review card. So when people are leaving my treatment room, they can just scan it and leave me a review. That has helped my business tremendously. But yeah, that is a little room tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed. And if you have any other questions, if I didn't go over something that you saw in my treatment room, please let me know. But thank you so much. This was so much fun.